How to connect iPhone 16 as a webcam for Windows or PC. Go your App Store and simply search IRIUN. These apps, just install it, and once installed, just open these apps, and at the same time you have to install these apps on your PC. And go the PC and search on Irian. Just download for Windows, or if you are using Mac, then download your Mac. And once done, just install your EDM apps by pressing yes. I already installed it. Now run these apps. Now once done, now connect your iPhone with data cable and press on OK. Now you can see my webcam is working now. So that's it. This is how you can easily use your iPhone as a webcam on your PC or laptop. Hope video helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.